What if you could turn one still image into a powerful gospel music video without touching a camera? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create soul-stirring gospel visuals using Suno AI for the music and Hedra for the lip sync, all from a single image. No animation skills needed, just faith, creativity, and a message to move the people. Let's bring your gospel vision to life. We can create a gospel AI-powered music video in under an hour. I am going to show you how. So let's head on over to our trusty, good old best friend, ChatGPT. And so the prompt is very simple. I want a gospel-themed Afrobeat contemporary song using Suno AI based on this scripture, 1 Corinthians 2 verse 9. Eye has not seen, nor ear heard, nor have entered into the heart of man the things which God has prepared for those who love him. I love that scripture. Okay, so please provide Suno AI style prompt. Don't mention any artist names because ChatGPT loves to do that and Suno does not like that. So we're going to put that in. And then we are going to see. So I asked it to generate the lyrics for me, and this is what it's produced, what eyes can't see. I'm liking this. I'm liking the lyrics. I'm liking what I see here. Yeah. I've asked it to provide a Suno AI prompt, and here we go. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to head over onto Suno AI. I love Suno AI, honestly, I really do. You don't even have to go too deep in this unless you're a music connoisseur. And then paste the lyrics, and I'm going to enter in the style description. Let's see what magic it cooks up for us. I'm excited. I am excited. So I'm going to hit create, and I'm going to see what it creates. And you would have heard it at the beginning of the video, and you're going to hear it at the end of the video. But as you're watching me right now, I have not heard the song. I'm doing this live and direct with you. Nothing was done in advance. It took me 3 generations to choose the song that I like. So sometimes it just takes a few times before you get the song that fits your exact vision. So once we've got the song, I've downloaded it already. We go back to ChatGPT, and I like to be nice to my ChatGPT. So I told it how good it was, and I've explained exactly what I want. I want a image that has a young black woman in her 30s on the stage singing with a microphone with a live band behind her. And I'm going to try 2 image platforms, one free and one paid, to see which image I prefer and what is the image that then I will use for the music video. I need to make sure that the black woman face is clearly seen so the lip sync can capture it. So I've given it to ChatGPT, so it will produce with me a prompt. Sometimes you just got to go back and forth with it. So I'm going to see what it has given me. Okay, I like that. So I'm going to copy both prompts in Image FX, which is free. This one is completely free. Yeah, Image FX, okay? It's part of Google, but you can access the image for free. Just make sure that the settings are on 16:9. It is. I'm going to paste that. It's very quick. And then I'm going to head over to Midjourney, and I'm going to paste that as well. Make sure it is 16:9. But I liked that image. That image was really nice, actually. That image was lovely. Okay, these images are quite nice as well. I actually like this image. To be very fair with you, this is the image that I want. It's absolutely stunning, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. I'm going to head over to OpenArt because I want to upscale it. I want to see if it needs to be upscaled or not. This is absolutely beautiful. So this one, she's looking right in the camera, crystal clear. So going to head over to OpenArt, and we are going to see if we can upscale. I want to show you how OpenArt upscaled it so you can just see. So this is the precision upscale. So this is the original, and then this is it upscaled. So I really think it just pops better. The original pops better, don't you think? I feel like the upscale dulls it a little bit. It dulls it, but it also adds. So I think I'm gonna keep the original, just because I just think it pops. When I saw it, I was just like, yes, this is it. This is like, looks like a completely different person, really. They're in the same clothing and everything, but a different person. It's not too bad, but again, I think this version pops more. And then when you do, and that one was the refined upscale. And when you do creative upscale, they change it completely. Look, totally different person, very lighter brown skin. So if you were like, you want to get a different picture, then why not? But I like this image. Okay, so essentially, then what we're going to do, go to Hedra, go to video, we're going to upload the image, we're going to upload the audio, and we're going to give it a prompt. So what I always do to get precise results is I upload the image. Rather than just saying, give me a prompt for Hedra AI, I want ChatGPT to analyze the image so it can give me an exact prompt. So this will be the prompt that I'm going to use. So this is the length of the audio, 3 minutes 21.31. So let's see how much it's going to charge me. Generation will use 1,208 credits. And best believe the credits you get for the package that I'm on, which I think is just the basic package, is 1,000 credits. So to do a 3-minute video, you would have to top up. Even a 2.5 minutes, you would have to top up. When I did one video, it was literally 1,100. So I literally, just to use an extra 100 credits, had to pay a couple of quid to do it. So if you want to do a complete video, you will have to add more to your credits or be on a higher plan. So let us generate. So it's going to take some time, and then we're going to head over to CapCut and then make the edits. And the good thing about this type of video is that it doesn't take long at all. The longest bit most likely will be Hedra generating the video for you. CapCut edits are going to be really simple, especially if you're just putting it on YouTube and putting it on IG or TikTok. All you need to really do, add captions and probably add your logo, and that's it. The negative thing about this, just to say, before we see the video, is that the character is only in one place. The thing about Hedra, you're giving it an image, so it's a still image, so it has to use that, but there is not a lot of movement, so it's literally a person in the same position singing. Typically, that does not happen in real life, right? People move about, there's a lot of motion, there's a lot of dynamism, so that's probably the only negative thing. So we'll come right back once the video is done. So we have it. It came out really beautiful. But one thing to notice is that the characters behind are not doing much, which makes it obvious that it's not fully real. And her hand here stays in that locked position, which again would not be natural. So it is not perfect. And it's probably why, you probably wouldn't want to put a person playing keys and drums in the background, because they're not going to be doing it, because they focus on this character. But for the first 10 seconds, you actually believe it's real. We can see the final product. You know what I decided to do? I decided to make it a 9:16. So it meant that I could literally ignore everybody in the background and push her to the front. So you can literally see her. You can tell there's people at the back, but you can't see them. That is it. This is how you create an AI-powered gospel music video. Just like that. That was probably altogether, really and truly, 45 minutes. If that really. The bit that took the longest was generating the video in Hedra.
doing for those who love him. I've walked through fire, I've tasted rain, but still I trust, I call his name. Even when the way is hidden from me, I believe there's more than what I see. He's building dreams in secret places, pouring grace in empty spaces. Even in silence, he's still speaking, preparing blessings I can't imagine. No eye has seen, no ear has heard the wonders of my faithful God. No heart can dream what he's prepared for those who love him. Stand in awe. I'm walking by faith, not by sight. He's turning my dark into light. No eye has seen, no ear has heard, oh, what he's doing in my life. Every delay was divine design. Every tear watered purpose and time. Now I see glimpses through my praise, but the full glory is on its way. Hold on, don't give in. What he promised is locked within. In his time, it will unfold. More than silver, more than gold. No eye has seen, no ear has heard the wonders of my faithful God. No heart can dream what he's prepared for those who love him. Stand in awe. I'm walking by faith, not by sight. He's turning my dark into light. No eye has seen, no ear has heard, oh, what he's doing behind that. Prepare for me, prepare for me. What eyes can't see, what hearts can't dream. Glory rising, favor pouring. He's not done, he's restoring.
Let's lift up holy hands. One image, one prompt. AI gospel music video. If you learned anything from this tutorial, like, comment, subscribe, and tap that bell notification to never miss an upload.